We got our fire alarm going off now, 3 o'clock in the morning. Of course, I'm not going to go check it out because I don't care. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I have a button to turn it off in my unit so it can't bug me. Look at the purple light. So, I wonder how many trucks we're going to get. Usually 2, in case there's a real fire. I don't smell fire, so I'm not concerned. It's okay, Daisy, I don't smell any smoke. That's my cigarette. Taking their time to save us from no fire. I hear them. They're coming. They're coming. Yeah, they're coming, Daisy. They're coming to save us from no fire, probably. Where are you? Oh, they're coming this way, dear. Yeah, here they come. They're coming. Here we come. Oh, we gotta move. I think there's gonna be another one. Can't bring us just a single in case there's a real fire. Yeah, they moved, of course. What the hell is that? Is that a big, giant, stupid Canadian flag? No way. It is. Yeah, we just get one fire truck. Usually they get 2 in case there's a real fire, you know. They're slipping. I could be burning up in my apartment. Where's the other fire truck? I'm just joking.